Now we will discuss the methods of the solving special series. First one, difference method. Suppose a1 comma a2 comma a3 and so on is a sequence such that the sequence a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3 and so on is either in AP or geometric progression. Then nth term an of the sequence is find as follows. Let S is equals to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on plus AN, and again S start with 0 plus A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on plus AN minus 1 plus AN. Difference of the above series: 0 equal to A1 plus A2 minus A1 plus A3 minus A2 plus and so on plus AN minus 1 minus AN. That implies AN that equal to A1 plus A2 minus A1 plus A3 minus A2 plus and so on plus AN minus 1. Here these terms are in either AP or GP. So we will find nth term of the series AP concept or GP concept. Then S equal to sigma AK, K equal to 1 to N. For example, the sum of n terms of the series 5 plus 7 plus 13 plus 31 plus 85 plus and so on. Solution: this is the special series. S equal to 5 plus 7 plus 13 plus 31 plus 85 plus and so on. Here the series, given series, not in AP or not in GP. So we use the difference method. Since the difference of the successive terms 7 minus 5 2, 13 minus 7 6, 31 minus 13 that is 18, 85 minus 31 54 that is in GP. The differences are in GP. So because of that one we are using difference method. Again S start with 0 plus 5 plus 7 plus 13 plus 31 plus and so on plus n minus 1th term plus nth term. So subtracting the above series, we get 0 equal to 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 18 plus 54 plus and so on plus Tn minus 1 minus Tn. These are n minus 1 terms. That implies Tn equal to 5 plus 2 common here, 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus and so on, plus n minus 1th term is 3 power n minus 2. That equal to 5 plus 2 into 3 power n minus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1, that equal to 5 plus 3 power n minus 1 minus 1, that equal to 4 plus 3 power n minus 1. Therefore, S equal to, that is the sum of the n terms of the given series, that equal to sigma Tk k equal to 1 to n, that equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n. Here kth term is 4 plus 3 power k minus 1, that equal to 4n plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus and so on plus 3 power n minus 1, that equal to 4n plus 3 power n minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2, that equal to 1 by 2 into 3 power n plus 8n minus 1. Second method is Vn minus Vn minus 1 method. Let T1, T2, T3 and so on be the terms of a sequence. If there exists a sequence V1, V2, V3 and so on satisfying TR equal to VR minus VR minus 1. Here R is greater than or equal to 1, then sum of n terms of the sequence, that equal to sigma R equal to 1 to n TR, that equal to sigma R equal to 1 to n VR minus VR minus 1, that equal to Vn minus V naught. For example, sum of n terms of the series (3 by 1 square into 2 square plus 5 by 2 square into 3 square plus 7 by 3 square into 4 square plus and so on. Solution. The given series rth term equal to 2r plus 1 divided by r square into r plus 1 whole square, that equal to r plus 1 whole square minus r square divided by r square into r plus 1 whole square, that equal to 1 by r square minus 1 by r plus 1 whole square, that equal to v r minus 1 minus vr. Here we are equal to 1 by r plus 1 whole square. Now sum of n terms Sn equal to sigma r equal to 1 to n Tr, that equal to sigma r equal to 1 to n, here Tr is Vr minus 1 minus Vr, that equal to V naught minus Vn, that equal to, here V naught is 1 minus Vn is 1 by n plus 1 whole square, that equal to n square plus 2n divided by n plus 1 whole square.